That's so good. That's giving her this incredible stamina. My shot and my chaser, LOL. Let's take this really quick. Blech. Blech. Austin's working from home today, so I'm gonna make him some breakfast because he's the best and deserves it while he's working hard. I usually just make him some scrambled eggs with a piece of toast, and then I think we actually have an avocado in here, so I can make him, oh yeah, there she is. I can give him some avocado. And anything else? Any other requests? A salad?
No, that'll be perfect.
That'll be it? Okay. And then I'm gonna make myself some oatmeal. This beautiful seed bread from Italy. All right, final breakfast done. Now time to make my oatmeal. Are you excited, Austin? The bread looks so good on the camera. It's so seedy. Do you want me to put it here?
Yeah.
Okay, just filmed 2 videos, which is a lot, but I find that if I don't batch upload content, I'm like struggling, especially on the weekends, to get it all done. And I'm just trying to be consistent with the Vlogmas, but the cloudy lighting today is so pretty. Here, let me open the curtains a little bit so you guys can see. Like, wow, I look glowing. So I'm like, should I film even more videos? I don't know, but I'm gonna take a break right now, hang out for a second, and just breathe. So I made this lovely recipe with Austin's help for dinner from Allison Roman's Nothing Fancy cookbook. We're gonna pop her. Ooh, these are big pieces, Austin. Can you get us like knives that can handle? There's the lammy right there. And then I made a chimichurri sauce on the side, which I made drizzle over. Some delicious marinated chickpeas, which I'm gonna add to the plates. And then a salad to dress it up. Not bad, we did it in like an hour. Yeah, like an hour. Delish.
Whoever you want, and you're stuck when you get to stop.
Great, that went everywhere. Good morning, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 7. Gonna be doing a day in my life vlog, fun employed, AA. Today we are doing a no makeup vlog day, so I hope that's okay with y'all. My skin is having a little bit of a freak and it just needs a minute to breathe. So this morning I just ate some avocado toast. Austin is here working from home, but he's gonna leave midday. He has a dinner tonight, so we're just gonna be hanging out today. I have a few errands I need to run. I need to upload the Vlogmas video for today and probably just tidy up the house a little bit. So nothing too exciting, but getting ish done. That's giving her this incredible stamina.
I think like the only thing that she can really do is go.
I'm dressed in my little boy outfit, my new Sambas, and I'm gonna go get my flu shot. So let's go do that. Bringing my big base tote just in case. I don't know, maybe I'll walk afterwards. I don't know. We're running late, I gotta go. I just got done with the flu shot in my left arm. Homeboy poked me so hard, like my arm's already sore. So, yikes. But now I'm gonna walk, long walk home and eat some lunch. We're back home now. Here's the mark. She hurts way more than she looks, but I know not everyone is about flu shots, and there was a long time that I also wasn't getting flu shots, but I've always lived in large metropolitan cities, and when you're having to see a lot of people, whether it's a lot of family, a lot of friends, a lot of strangers, public transit, it just, in my mind, makes sense, but like to each their own. The other thing I wanted to share that I really, really love, which I listened to a Skinny Confidential podcast on Beekeepers Natural, and I bought the Propolis Immune Support Throat Spray. It's small, it's tiny, fits in your purse, grab and go, but this stuff is incredible. If you get dry throat, if your throat starts getting scratchy, sore throat, amazing. So I spray about 4 to 5 sprays a day, but especially on days where I wake up feeling a little bit dry. I also have my Canopy humidifier, but those two have been my go-to. And then of course, like y'all already know, hand sanitizer on deck. Anywhere I go, everywhere I go. And I also make sure that Austin is in the loop. I'm also kind of a germaphobe, which helps with my mission. And aside from that, the last thing that I incorporated, oh wait, it's out here, is my oil of oregano. And I don't know if this brand is good or bad. For now, I was just trying it out. It seems to help. It helps support digestive health, but also supports immune. So been taking those. So far so good. Haven't been sick yet. So there's my 2 cents for those of you who do find that you catch colds or flus easily, which I usually do. It is a soup day. I've got some chicken going. I cut up my mirepoix. I also have this manchego rind that I'm gonna stick in the broth. My Better Than bouillon, which is such a lifesaver and a space saver. Some baby spinach and my tomato paste. I think I'm gonna do a chicken tortilla-esque type soup, because I also have some cheddar cheese and some creme fraiche that we need to use up from the caviar. So we'll do that, but right now I'm just browning the chicken and then we'll get started on cooking everything else. Okay, so the soup is on. I'm gonna add in my manchego rind. I added the tomato paste, I cooked down the veg, and I added my water and bouillon. So we're gonna let this cook for about, let's just do 20 minutes. And that should be plenty. And then hopefully it will be done. So let's put a lid on this girl. then forget it. Honor. Ooh, this looks really good. Let's find that rind. I just finished the soup. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of lime, and I added cilantro and creme fraiche. And it is so good. I did do a little taste test, you guys. I can't not. And I'm gonna use a soup spoon. Take this knife in case I need to cut some of the chicken up. I know the knife blade being in this is really not aesthetic, but here we go. No recipe, just eyeballed it. That's so good. So if you're me, this is on your TikTok For You page. I've seen it in like 20,000 parts. And I was like, okay, I need to just watch the movie. You know when you do that? So I'm gonna watch this because it's on HBO Max. I also love Vivica Fox. My mom loved Vivica Fox. She's just a great actress, singer, yada yada. So I'm gonna do that. And then I also am just gonna like multitask a little bit, but have a chill afternoon. I promised Austin I would put these ornaments on the tree. The only thing is there's glitter in them, and I didn't want the glitter to go all over the floor, but the tree also looks really naked, so let's put some up. So here's one up, you guys. You have to like tie it to the tree, and because it's a fake tree, the ends are just like poking out. Anyway, this is gonna be some manual labor, so I'm gonna do at least this many, put them up, and then call it a day. This is tedious. I'm taking a break because that was too much. They're really little, but I think tomorrow's task will be to get them more saturated on this side. But it is starting to come together a little bit, which I'm really happy for. They are a nuisance to put together. There's literally like a string, and then it like dangles on it, so I digress. Maybe don't buy these if you're looking for cheap ornaments. Not really the move. So Austin is out to dinner with friends. I made myself a little salad with some of the marinated tomatoes from the lamb. And then I've got pasta going on the stove. I love starting a meal with a salad. I feel like it gives me a lot of good nutrients, fiber, vitamins, and it just makes me feel like I'm going into my meal a little bit more green than I was when I started out. And here's the pasta reveal. It's the pasta from Chef. The only thing I did was add a little bit of Parmesan because I felt like it, but it's lemon, parsley, garlic, olive oil, and you can add a little bit of butter if you want to. So I'm ready to dig in.